Hello all, and welcome to week 13 of our CD 153, Teaching in a Diverse Society. We're going to head over to our modules. And we are going to go down to week 13, where we will be discussing religion in families this week. You must have found the overview because that's what you're watching right now. Our week 13, our reading for this week is chapter 13, Religion and Families. We have our PowerPoint per usual, a mini lecture, some additional videos. One of the additional videos this week is a tool that you can use with children to help them better understand differences in religion and better understand religion in general. When dealing with religion and other aspects of culture and community, we need effective communication strategies. So our discussion this week will be in regards to effective communication strategies. You are invited to answer these 3 questions in a discussion post. Question number 1 is identify the grade or age of your imaginary student. The second is to describe the reason for the meeting with the family, such as a concern or just to get to know them. And 3, write what you would say to the family and include an open-ended question. All of these 3 questions are in regards to you are meeting with a family and kind of how you want that meeting to go and what questions you're going to ask. This is what this is preparing you for. We have the same reply criteria as normal. This will be due in 2 weeks. And yep, we are going to go to modules. We do have something a little different this week into final project part 1. So I am separating your final project into 2 separate parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 and part 2 separately. You will submit part 1 separately and submit part 2 separately. It's not for a grade, but it's so that I can give you feedback so that when you do submit parts 1 and parts 2 together for your actual final, you have already received feedback on it and it should be your absolute best work. So in part 1, you're going to choose your book, number 1. You're going to include a bibliography on your chosen book. So you're going to choose your book, find their last name, first initial, the publication date, the title of the book, the city of publication, and the publishing company, which can normally be found on the first page of your book. Then you're going to insert a picture of the book, if possible, onto the same document. And then in one paragraph, you're going to discuss why you chose the book, what age group it's for, is the book's focus anti-bias or multicultural? Where did you find this book? If you found it on a specific website or anything, now would be the chance to tell me. And then in another paragraph, so your second paragraph, you're going to summarize the children's book you chose. Let me know if you have any questions about this. So you're just submitting part 1 right now. You're just submitting the 2 paragraphs, the bibliography, and a picture of the book. Yeah, let me know if you have questions, comments, concerns. This is just for feedback, so then I can give you feedback so you know what to tweak. So then when you do submit it for your final, all of your feedback has already been given and you know that you are submitting your best work. Yeah, that is all for this week. I hope everybody has a fabulous week and I will see you in our week 13 mini lecture. All right.